anyway, that's where we're at. Let's go look at the other side of this. Anyway, we're going to try to get this sink, which he doesn't need me to mess with that. We're going to try to get this sink where it comes out of this 110 2.5 gallon point of use water heater. We're going to go up. He said to stay in front of the, well, we agreed to stay in front of the crown mold, so we don't have to damage it, and then he'll have to replace it, and we're going to drill up through. That may be the first thing that I do, so I spend less time up there or less trips up there, which trips up into this attic is a journey. You'll see. All right, hey, we're over here. We're going to try to drill a hole up there, but I kind of want it to look straight. I'm counting on I can use a level, but I'm counting on that jamb is not crooked. So I will measure from that jamb over to the center of this is 39 inches. Okay? As soon as we get cold water. I can do the same thing off that wall. It should be, can't always count on it, but it should be square. Or level 38, 39 inches, 33 quarters, and 39. And guess what? I'll have to do both. Either to the pencil. There. Now, because it doesn't go all the way up, I've got to go to this corner, 81 7/8. All right, I'm going to drill right there. Hopefully there's not a rack in there. Odds were for me. All right, we'll come back in just a second and open all this up.